Hello, I'm 𝐓𝐡𝐢𝐬, your microbiology guide. Let's explore in-depth micro techniques and uncover groundbreaking insight together on this educational journey into the fascinating realms of microbes.
Climate change increases. Foodborne illness. Risk from raw produce.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a crucial and timely topic: how climate change is increasing the risk of foodborne illnesses, specifically from raw produce. So let's get into it. Salmonella enterica is a pathogen that affects around 1.7 million people in the United States each year. While we have traditionally worried about contaminated meats, in recent years, fresh produce has become a major source of infection. Salmonella can survive on a variety of agricultural crops and even linger in the soil for extended periods. It's particularly sneaky because it can exfoliate changes in the plant environments caused by other microorganisms, especially under certain conditions. So how does climate change factor into this? A new study published in the journal Applied and Environmental Microbiology reveals that higher humidity levels, something we have been seeing more frequently due to climate change, can actually enhance Salmonella survival on plants. The study found the plants infected with bacterial leaf spot, a common disease in leafy greens, are more likely to harbor Salmonella. But it doesn't stop there. The timing of when Salmonella arrives on the plant during its disease progression can also impact how well it survives and thrives. Researchers conducted experiments to mimic real-world conditions, introducing Salmonella to lettuce at different stages of bacterial leaf spot infection under varying humidity levels.
If you have watched till here, don't forget to subscribe to Family of Science Lovers. Press the bell icon button so you are always updated.
Their findings: high humidity coupled with bacterial leaf spot can significantly boost Salmonella's ability to survive, even moving from the leaf surface into the interior of the plant. This makes it much harder to eliminate through traditional washing or sanitization methods. So what does this mean for us? As climate change continues to bring about more humid conditions, the risk of contamination in fresh produce could rise. This is a critical food safety issue, especially for those who enjoy raw fruits and vegetables. The takeaway here is the importance of controlling plant diseases and being aware of how climate conditions affect our food. Whether you are a consumer or a producer, staying informed is the key to protecting our health. As we continue to see the effects of climate change, it's crucial that we pay attention to how these changes impact not just the environment, but also the food we consume. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more insightful on how to stay safe and healthy in an ever-changing world.
Definition to ponder from this video. Salmonella enterica, a type of bacteria that causes foodborne illness, leading to symptoms like diarrhea, fever, and abdominal cramps. It commonly contaminates raw produce, especially under conditions that favor its growth. Bacterial leaf spot, a plant disease caused by bacteria that results in dark, water-soaked lesions on leaves. This condition makes plants more susceptible to harboring pathogens like Salmonella. Humidity, the amount of moisture in the air. Increased humidity, often due to climate change, can enhance the survival of pathogens on plants and contribute to the spread of plant diseases. Foodborne illness. An illness caused by consuming contaminated food or beverages. It can result from bacteria, viruses, parasites, or chemicals that contaminate food, often leading to symptoms like nausea, vomiting, and diarrhea. Climate change. Long-term alteration in Earth's climate patterns, particularly a rise in global temperatures, which can affect various environmental factors, including humidity and disease dynamics. Pathogen. A microorganism, such as a bacterium, virus, or fungus, that causes disease in its host. In the context of food safety, pathogens can contaminate food and lead to illness. Sanitization. The process of reducing the number of harmful microorganisms to a safe level, usually through cleaning agents or methods. It helps prevent the spread of foodborne illnesses. Produce. Fruits and vegetables that are grown for human consumption. They can be raw or minimally processed and are commonly associated with foodborne illness outbreaks when contaminated. Infection. The invasion and multiplication of microorganisms, such as bacteria, viruses, or parasites in the body, which can cause illness. In the context of foodborne illnesses, infections often result from consuming contaminated food. If you have watched till here, don't forget to subscribe to Family Appliance Lovers. Press the bell icon button so you are always updated. Contamination. The presence of harmful substances or microorganisms in food or the environment that can lead to health risks. In food safety, contamination refers to the presence of pathogens or chemicals that compromise food safety. Microbial diversity. The variety of microorganisms present in a given environment, such as soil or plant surfaces. Higher microbial diversity can influence the presence and survival of pathogens. Applied and Environmental Microbiology. A scientific journal that publishes research on microorganisms in natural and artificial environments, including studies on food safety and pathogen survival. Leaf surface. The outer layer of a plant's leaf where microorganisms, including pathogens like Salmonella, can reside. This surface can be difficult to clean, especially when contamination is internal. Raw produce. Fruits and vegetables that are consumed without cooking. Raw produce is often linked to foodborne illnesses because it is not exposed to heat that could kill harmful microorganisms. Agricultural crops. Plants grown for food, fiber, or fuel. In the context of foodborne illness, certain crops like leafy greens are more susceptible to contamination due to their contact with soil, water, and the environment. Traditional washing methods. Common ways of cleaning produce, usually involving water or mild detergents. While effective at removing dirt and some pathogens, these methods may not completely eliminate harmful microorganisms, especially if they are internalized within the plant. Food safety. Practices and measures taken to prevent foodborne illnesses, ensuring that the food we eat is safe from harmful pathogens or contaminants. Host. In the context of pathogens, a host refers to any living organism, including plants and humans, that can be infected by microorganisms. In this case, plants serve as hosts for pathogens like Salmonella.